Gonna load up and see maybe this could help how it's loaded. And excuse the background noise, kids running around. We're babysitting some extra kids here. Let me try to close the door. Yeah, I was restarting because it looks like it kind of froze last night or something. And I'm still working on the auto restart. Working with the developer to figure out how to set it up so that it doesn't launch more than one instance. Alright, so now I'll get the tuner up and running. Feel free to fast forward if you need to. And let's see here. This is recording live, so I think it takes me about 30 seconds to maybe a minute to load up. Alright, so now I'll just go ahead and, I can hit load up here twice, once, twice, and that should get me my settings. I'm gonna go, this is all good for me. And there, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear everything. I'm using the BNB override, so I know that when the override, when I load here, it's gonna load up the pairs, but I need to make sure that I launch a browser first, because without that it doesn't know where to pull data. Okay, so let's go ahead and take care of that. Alright, so let's go here and go to custom bots and then just open up any bot so I can see it. Okay, and yeah, these red dollar signs, I'm not sure what's going on. I'm doing what I can to fix it. Usually it's because of the position, but the position seems right. I don't know if there's a bug on their side. Now it starts to disappear on an update. Just saw it disappear. I don't know if that's the case or not, but anyways, let me go forward and tune. Alright, so I'll go ahead and maybe load up, see how long it takes. So there's 69. Click on it, and I could kind of add what I need to add to the coin. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna load up the wallet now. And I've already selected it because so I don't have to load these all again. Okay. Load again. Okay. Now clear the wallet. Clear the pair. Looks like it's not clearing. Okay, so I will see what I need to do to fix this. I don't know what happened there. Okay, so somehow this one cleared out everything. I guess it took a while to clear. It's weird. And the wallet finally loaded. So let me go ahead and add. Actually, it loaded out without anything. So I guess there's something there that's still selected. So let me clear that too. I'm gonna add my simulator wallet. give it a minute, and then once you add it, it's, even though you don't see it, I think it's still there because it has to load from the internal variables, and I guess it's not displaying properly. So I just load these base coins, and I think that should repopulate this. No good way just to check the text file and modify it there too. I can load this. So even though I've loaded here, it's kind of like having to hit the load twice for some reason. It's like trying to load once, it doesn't show up, we'll load it again on the second one, and then it appears, then you know that you selected one. And then there it is. So now we'll load the, I'm going to add Bitcoin, the bigger base coin. And then I can go ahead and load BNB also. Add that. So now I have 2 base coins. Alright, and I can load the available pairs. That should increase the number to 204, 260, 204. Then I can go ahead and click whatever I need to click to add. And then the first one will show up here as 1. For some reason the first one doesn't show. I should probably add maybe a total here, so you kind of see what's been added, even though it doesn't display. Yeah, I don't like it myself the way it's set up. But the GUI is more like a facade, because it has to pull data from the main list of variables that I have, and then once you set it here, I have to convert it back to the list of variables that the tuner uses. So there it is. I just add some more, and then we should be good to go. So yeah, if you're waiting too long, just kind of load here, just assume it's there, keep going, progress through, load again, and then it'll probably pop back up, and then start adding your coins, and then start tuning. Another thing to do if it kind of frustrates you, and once this is all done, make sure you save the settings, okay? So I'm going to load my original settings back, but alright, I think it should be saved. Oh, I don't know. I guess there's, I might have automatically saved it once you add it here, I guess. Alright, so the other way to do it is to just go to your documents and then open up this file here. You're gonna have to manually type it in. Make sure you don't have a comma at the end. I'm gonna pause it so you don't. Alright, so you can then modify your base pairs here. This is what I've selected. I think it takes a while. Yeah, I guess I'm noticing it takes a while to load because I didn't save it, and this was my previous selection. So I click load settings, it should refresh it, but it's not. So I think there's something wrong with it. Okay. Oh, BCD. Maybe I did. Alright, cool. I'll check it out. Thanks for the update. Yeah, I do see the problems here, and I was able to recreate it. So I'll fix this GUI stuff here. It's probably maybe looping around and not picking things up, I'm guessing. And it's loading instead of from the file, it's loading from its internal memory, and it's not able to do it. So okay, cool, thanks. I don't know if I want to save it, but yeah.